Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'm gonna show you how to import PowerGrades in DaVinci Resolve. If you're ready, the first step is to open the Color tab from the menu below. Then, click this icon to make the PowerGrades folder visible. As you can see, we now have access to the PowerGrades folder. Now click on the PowerGrades folder and then right-click in the empty space next to it. Then, select Import. Next, select the PowerGrade file with the D or X extension that you want to import and click the Import button. As you can see, it has been successfully imported. When you hover your mouse cursor over this file, you can see a preview of it applied to the current video on your timeline. If you want to apply this PowerGrade to your timeline, right-click on PowerGrade and select Apply Grade. As you can see, it was applied successfully. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to import PowerGrades in DaVinci Resolve was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.